Graybird is a developer of the ARIS CAD software. Graybird has the second largest installed base in the world of DWG software after AutoCAD. Millions of professionals use our 2D, 3D DWG CAD software, either under the ARIS brand or another CAD software using our technology as a platform. Unlike most of our competitors, we are not a publicly listed company. We are different, and we are successful because of it. We have been family-owned and independent for more than 40 years. Graybird is committed to developing long-term collaborations with its customers, employees, and partners. Because we don't answer to the stock exchange, we can build long-term strategies and reinvest our profits in innovation for the common good of our ARIS community. Graybird enables ARIS users and developers to safeguard their investments in the DWG format. Our mission is to deliver modern DWG experiences. In a world increasingly dominated by 3D models and globalization, we enable DWG CAD users to manage their digital transformation. Our mobile and cloud technologies will improve collaboration and create smarter DWG drawings that work in good synergy with BIM and 3D models. Graybird has a head start in cloud and mobile technologies for DWG CAD. Graybird also develops innovations for smarter BIM and mechanical drawings. I trust that these innovations will enable Graybird and its partners to build the next generation of CAD software and lead the DWG market into the future.